So let's take a look at how you can set the logo layout in Astra theme for WordPress. Okay, next thing would be to go to your WordPress dashboard, go to appearance, click on customize. Okay, now here in customizer we are going to select header, then primary header. Now here in layout you can see the logo left, logo center and logo right as layout options. So by default it says logo left. You can change that to logo center, and then there is logo right. Okay, so you can publish the settings and it will look something like this. So you get the idea how to set your logo to left, center or right of header in Astra theme.